everyone. We are here at Guinness Carinderiam. It's me, Charles Gibson, Datiles, and my partner, Marvin Leonardo. So let's come here to interview. The question is, how do you ensure the quality of your products or services?
Good afternoon. We ensure the quality of our products or the foods we offer through a number of ways. First, we make sure to use fresh and safe ingredients from our trusted supplier, and of course, checking the quality before cooking. Second, we make sure that the kitchen is clean, or we maintain cleanliness in our kitchens as well as our food preparation areas. And most importantly, we make sure to cook just in small batches so that the food we offer are always fresh.
Number 2, what common quality problems do you encounter?
Unfortunately, we haven't encountered such. As I have mentioned earlier, we make sure to cook in small batches so that our food stay fresh. And with that, we do not encounter such problems.
Question number 3, how do you handle customer complaints?
One of the biggest complaints we have had is just the customer complaining how the water is not cold. Of course, we take that criticism as constructive, or we do take that as a suggestion to get better. So, pagka silong, of course, we serve them cold water, and I guess that's how businesses should operate.
The last question is, what improvements would you recommend to improve quality?
As much as we are happy with the quality of the products or the foods that we offer, I believe that there is always room for improvement. And I guess one way of achieving that is, staying committed to the standard quality practices in our establishment, while being open to ideas, being open to new ideas, to innovations, and to the feedbacks our customer has to give.
Thank you, Ma'am Julia, for allowing us to interview you.